Hey friends, welcome back. I am here in Batuan, in Bohol Island, in the Philippines. And today's video we are gonna go out to explore. Hello! Kumusta ka? Okay la. I love it. I love it. I love the Filipinos. Oh, stop. Yeah, today's video we are gonna go out, explore, wander, and of course get lost. But first thing first, what I want to do is I'm on my way to a tailor to fix my shorts, and then afterwards we're gonna go and grab a breakfast in Carmen City. So, tara na. Hello! Ça va? Tranquille?
Tranquille.
Tranquille, mec and meuf! Enjoy, guys! They were saying in my guest house, look at this for a stunning view though. Oh my god. Ooh, this is the Philippines. Absolutely gorgeous. There's a car coming. And over here, look at this for a view. Like, I really hope the camera gives it any justice. I do have my doubts, but take my word for it. It is absolutely stunning. All right, let's go to the tailor. Tara na! So I made it to the tailor. Hello.
Morning.
Kumusta ka? Good morning. I told you I'll be back. I need my shorts fixed. Yeah, that's better actually. It works better. So let me get the shorts here. See, like this here.
Hey, okay.
Yeah, it's there's holes here. It was made for ventilation, I guess.
Okay.
But no more ventilation. I don't need ventilation in Philippines. Oh, you're gonna make it now? Look, he's gonna use another piece, put it inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's gonna like stitch it in, and it's gonna be hidden. Beautiful. Perfect. When I come back?
Afternoon 5.
5. Okay, afternoon I come back.
Okay.
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 Salamat po.
Salamat.
Oh man, I love them. I love them. They're amazing, like. Right, that's actually not too bad. In the afternoon, I don't even need those shorts anytime soon. Wearing jeans in Asia, are you mad? Okay, we're gonna go now to Carmen. And Carmen is a city just about probably about 15 or so minutes away from Batuan. And then we're gonna go to the market and grab breakfast. I was there yesterday and I was like, wow, I wanna come back. So, tara na, let's go for a breakfast, eat something, connect with the locals, and keep it local, you know? Let's go. You can see the chocolate hills there in the distance. Over there in the far side as well, and here. You won't find any chocolate on top of those hills. They're just called chocolate hills because during the dry season, they turn brown. Hence the chocolate hills name, but also for marketing purposes. They are beautiful. I've already visited them, but I won't again. I'm gonna explore other things now today. It's going to be a different kind of storytelling and videos on the channel. Come on, tara na, let's go to Carmen. Carmen is beautiful. Philippines! Woof, 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 woof. Oh my god, this is only in the Philippines. Kumusta ka? Mabuti! Maayo, maayo. Amping! Amping! Ah, Philippines! I love you! Unbelievable! We made it to Carmen City here in Bohol Island. And for those who are wondering why I didn't ask for the price back at the tailor, is because I can tell when a person is gonna scam me or not, or overcharge me, all that, and I can tell that person is actually quite honest, and he's gonna give me like the local rate without even I don't even like I have like an expectation on what, you know, like on what the price should be, more or less. It shouldn't be more like than 50 or so, 60 pesos for the fix, to fix my shorts. Yeah. So this is Carmen. Here's the market. All this here, like, and inside as well. That's the heart of Carmen City. And there is also like a bus station here. Not that I care so much because I have a scooter or motorbike. That's how I'm actually traveling in Bohol Island, which is quite handy as well. But tara na, let's go and grab breakfast from the same place that I went to yesterday. I want eggs, fried eggs. There is inside the market. My place is always busy as well. Those are my ladies. Kumusta ka? I'm back. How are you?
Are you a vlogger?
What is she saying? You're so beautiful. Wapa, wapa. Kumusta ka? Mabuti.
Mabuti. Salamat sa inyo.
Where I want to actually sit here.
I don't
I
like.
want to sit here.
I live in you. Oh.
Huh? Closer to you.
She's allergic on camera.
It's always at the beginning shy, but then, oh yeah, hi. Can I get the 2 eggs?
Yeah.
Yes, please. And bread as well. And where is the thing, the white thing that was here yesterday? Do you have it?
No.
No.
This day we don't have kalikaw.
What? Why you don't have it? They used to have, like, yesterday they had like this white rolly thing like coconut, you know, made of like coconut and I don't know, some other Filipino goodness. And I really wanted that. Damn it. We'll try probably and find it. Is there like another store that makes it?
No. Only here.
And you don't have it? Hello. Hi! Single lady! Single lady! They were playing with me yesterday. Oh, she's single, she's single. They love that, like, you know? They love to be flirted with.
We have cassava here, sir.
Yeah.
Cassava cake. We call it cassava cake.
Maybe afterwards. Right, I'm gonna have this breakfast and eat it. Have fun with the ladies, of course. And then we're gonna take a walk in the market. See what this market is all about. I actually never visited this market. I came here, ate and went back. That's it. Alright, we just got served. Look at the plate, man. Even in their plate, there is love. So there's the 2 bread that I asked for, and there's the eggs, and there's like some peppers and chili on top. I put them, by the way, they don't put that. It's for my tasting, and it is good actually. That pepper and that chili you put in makes a nice flavor, and I love it. Simple breakfast. I don't need much in the morning after coffee. How much do I owe you? 2 eggs, 2 bread?
40.
40?
Have this.
Here you go.
Thank
Thank you.
Cinco.
Look at this cutie here. Alright, thank you guys. Bye bye. Right. That was 40 pesos for 2 eggs and a bread. Not bad. Good breakfast. And here is the market. What are they selling here? Ah, okay, so it goes all the way in. Okay, we'll tour around a bit. Hi!
Hello, welcome here to the Carmen Public Market.
Kumusta ka?
Yes, I'm okay. Okay lang.
Mabuti lang.
Okay.
Mabuti.
So you are talking Bisaya?
No, I speak English.
English?
Yes.
Yan yung kumusta ka?
I ask people like you. I know more words.
Kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka?
Okay lang, anak. Kumusta ka? Okay lang.
Okay lang, mabuti lang.
Okay lang.
Oh, you understand?
Kumusta ka, wapa?
Okay lang. I'm fine.
What are you selling here?
Sili mo may...
Sunglasses. I have sunglasses.
Where
I
are you
have.
from, sir?
I'm from Ireland.
Ireland.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're only one here in the Philippines?
I'm alone, yes.
You're only
You're
one?
alone?
Yeah.
So you have no more wife or...
No
or
more
DF?
wife.
No more wife?
No more.
No more wife. So lovely.
Welcome to my vlog.
Unbelievable. I love it. And here we have some fruit. Shall we get some mangoes? How much are they? Let's ask this old lady here. Hello. Kumusta ka? How much is the mangoes?
140 per kilo.
140 per kilo.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I want to ask other people and see. 140 is actually the price. Let's try here. Hello. Kumusta ka? How much is mango?
130 per kilo, sir.
130 per kilo. Okay. 130. Oh, that's nice. Can you do 100?
Yes, sir.
100 per kilo?
No,
Yeah. How much is your last price?
130 only, sir.
Can you do a discount?
Yes, 130, sir. 130.
You're cute. Okay, give me a half kilo. If you don't try, but it's a fair deal. I already know. We already know. This is not the first time.
Can you?
Oh, I choose. Yes, I can choose. But why can't you choose for me? Choose something good. I trust you. Oh, exactly half kilo. Oh my God. Amazing. So what's the total? Divide that by 130, 65. Okay.
Hi,
Forever young. Continue, don't stop.
forever young.
Love it. Just a little bit, Bisaya. Just a little bit, I understand. So what did you say? Something about I am good looking? Huh? Yeah?
Says that you're so handsome, sir.
I'm so handsome, yeah? How much do we have here now? I think that's correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, perfect. Beautiful. Just like you. Oh man, everybody loves to be flirted with. Having fun at the market. Thank you. Amping. Let's go this way here. What else can we get? So we have bananas. I have biscuits from the previous time I bought it, you know. I love having fun with them, by the way. You know, they're very energetic, the Filipinos. I've said that before and I'll say it again. And here, like, they sell like other grocery stuff, you know. I like it. But let's go this way here. Hello.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Kumusta ka?
Okay lang.
Okay la.
What?
Mabuti.
Where's your country?
I'm from Ireland.
Ireland.
Yes. And where are you from? Carmen? Are you Carmen?
Carmen.
Yeah. Beautiful city. I like it. I like the market, the grocery market. It's beautiful. I like it.
Beautiful lady.
Yes, beautiful lady, beautiful lady. Wapa, wapa.
Guapa.
Oh.
Guapa. Ikaw, guwapo. Diba?
Oh, thank you. Salamat po. Bye-bye. Oh, I love them. I just love them. Where are we now? There is coconut here. Fresh coconut. Oh man, it's full. It's full. But I think that's the market really. There are other like places, like they're all connected together into you know, similar products that they sell. But I'll make my way out of the market and exit from here. But I bet you, let's go this way here. Hello.
Hello.
Kumusta ka?
We're okay here.
We are okay here. We are okay everywhere. That's what I think. And by the way, I am told for the tents here. But I will put an end to this video right here. A quick tour in Carmen's market if you have made it this far. Thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps of course with the algorithms, and as always, see you on the next one.